Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. To my YouTube subscribers, on the last video that I just made about Raj, I accidentally turned off the comment. So if you were trying to comment and you could comment, that's what happened. But I fix it now, so you know what I mean. If you anybody else listen to this and see that video and want to comment, you can do so now. Now, people, let's talk about Spice Baecation. What is it, like day 3? And people, it just get started. So Spice make a movie. Let's watch the movie. Here goes. Go on, people, Spice go on with a crocus bag of things. You see me? So Spice Baecation gone up one more level. I have some more things for sure. No, pretty exciting. You see what I say? The whole family conference call and all of that. You see me? Plus Spice makes some more posts. But first, let's get into the caption of Spice have with the video there. And let's see what Jada Kingdom and other people say about it, right? So she posted that and she said, Jamaican Titanic, I just started teaching this man how to talk patois and bam, he used it against me at J-Bud Media. Do you think Jack should have saved himself in the Titanic show, or was it beautiful how he died for love? Hashtag Titanic. So basically Spice has I wanna know say in the movie a Jack dead. But in a fear movie now with she and her significant other, you know, J-Bud Media, Jack survive, and I guess, you know, I guess Spice Joan. So people, with that now, Jada comment on that and say, laugh my effing ass off, yo. This is me and verse. So you know say Jada and Fiarbu are going with a bag of things to when them ready. And Spice comment again and say Jada Kingdom at Jada Kingdom and put some laughing emoji. And she say I can't stop laugh. That's what Jada reply, right? But people may have some more things for showing from the Baecation. Alright, take a look at these videos here.
Yes, papi, grassy. Out and bad, stunting. Yeah, but tonight I'm not eating a dumpling. I'm having a gypsy dinner. Yeah. Watch gypsy dinner over here, so. Watch. I know you're not going to say that.
Yep, I slept outside last night on my rooftop.
Good morning!
Yeah, people, so I want to see what the queen are going with. I want to hear what she said. She sleep under the stars last night. You see me? Some things when Mrs. Spice are going with Mexico, I never know say, I saw Mexico set up. Mrs. Spice all right, Camila Mexico. I think I make least them thing there. When the laugh off of me now, that you me not used to good things like them. You see me, I say, but me I learn. That means that when time the day come, I will get to explore the opportunity. I will know what God Spice already show us, right? But people want to show the one next thing was Spice post, right? Spice post this year screenshot, and you can see it's her son and daughter and her and her significant other, boyfriend, Rasta man, J-Bud, right? I'm going to have to tell you what go on in the comment section, because I know say when I go say the same thing in this comment section, so you can just imagine what the comments are about, right? Because me now, I'm not going to mix me up, you know. I'm not going to make you mix me up. I just had to show you what I find. I not say a word. Right, people? All right. But with that post now, she had a caption, and the caption said, last night I surprised Bay with a gypsy dinner on the beach. Baecation continues. Carbo, Mexico. It's just the little cute things for me. Don't slide if you know you jealous. At J-Bud Media. At Rush's Escape. Thanks for bringing my vision to life. right? So people would definitely there and see Spice I enjoy herself. You know what I mean? I love every moment of it because at this me like to see happiness. No matter if a Spice or no matter if I'm a neighbor or my friend down the road or somebody woman I know, me just like people for be, you know what I mean, happy and live up. And I would expect that people would have to say the same for me. You know what I mean? So big up the queen. Long live the queen again. We not stop say that. So the whole Blue Army, the whole Team Spice, the whole Spice gang, Smurf gang. When you get in the comment section and tell me what you think about the Baecation so far. You know, we never know what we are going to get because today our day number 3 and you see it a go on a movie we get today. Who know what going to go on tomorrow? You see me? And Spice look like she does a tease with more and more. Though. Spice just a give it things for us talk about. You see me? But you know what I mean, it's all fun. Me prefer this more than the animosity. You see me, I say people, I'm just speaking for myself here. I don't know what you like and what you like to see, but obviously if you make it thus far in this video, you probably like go out with Spice. You see me? So big up Spice one more time. Now people more have to check back in on Raj's birthday because I have a video where Ramesh just not too long post, you know what I mean? While he was on his way to Raj, him say I go check Raj for him birthday, you know what I mean, and give him some gift. Guess who he run into? He run into young Donte. Now, you know Donte, you see me I say, the little you with the big man personality. And if you don't know him by name, you know him by face. So here goes the video. Take a look at this.
This man?
Yo!
Man the vehicle, man the vehicle.
Yo!
What happened?
I'm there and I'm gonna see you. You not I'm lucky again. There in that place. And I'm just there. I'm get toes now, you say free.
Yeah.
I say, oh, me get toes now. I say, God, I got bless me again, Father God.
But you not get a blessing today, because I'm broke today.
You broke today?
Yeah.
No, man, I money me mean, man. Me mean, you're like a, what do I call it? A legend to me, you know. So
Yeah.
really feel good for your talk to you, you know.
Yeah.
Shensia, so lip, so many can talk.
Shensia.
Girlfriend, that thing.
A Raj birthday and our son birthday today. I'm going to link you now.
Link me and tell him say happy birthday from Dante.
Alright, no say nothing big up here. Dante, I want to
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up the lighter, float on with the waves. Shensia make me feel lighter. It make me feel
Give me Tara's part now.
Bing the fire, bing that come. Me need my love, no, me need my love. Turn on the pressure yet. That me not remember everything. Because me not love.
Yeah, people, so when you see him now, you see me I say, Dante that for who don't know him, right? But people, one thing I almost forgot for sure now with Spice. Now Spice had matching Versace there. So she and her significant other, you know, they were in matching Versace. So may have 2 little clips me I go show now, and then we are going to wrap up the video, people. So take a look at Spice and her boo. Yeah, people, so I definitely see what I'm going with Spice, right? I want to say, yeah, Mexico is the place. Mexico lit. You see me? So big up Spice one more time. Big up our significant other, J-Bud Media. You see me? I say big up Ramesh and Dante also. And people, I don't know how I'm going with YouTube comment section today. About 2 times I turn on the comments and the comment still a turn off by itself. So if you not depend on that video and the comment off, you know what I mean, I go check it still over and over. But I hope I know the same thing I go on with that video. Okay, last video, it a go on good, you know what I mean, people are watch it and big up the people and we have view, but I know someone want comment. It's kind of heartbreaking when you go for comment and it's a comment section off, because when that happen to me, I know it feel, right? So if you want, you can circle that video there again, or if you book up that video there, you know what I mean, if it's recommended to you. And this is from YouTube YouTube people them. So people, this is the end of this video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself and stay safe out there. And also, you know what I mean, I want to send an RIP to one of my biggest supporter fan, Miss Debbie Spencer. You see me, I said she passed away today. She was an avid Dancehall IG fan. She comment on every platform I have: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You saw me, I say, so rest in peace to Miss Debbie. Our heart goes out and condolences to your family, gone but not forgotten. I want to know her from the poem that she make for her Auntie Dana. So big up Miss Debbie. Rest in peace. All right?
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.